Rajesh. I am a BTech student specializing in computer science and engineering at IIT Patna. During March to April 2024, I developed a messaging web application as a personal project using the MERN stack named Undme. This project showcases my proficiency in full stack development, integrating key features such as real-time communication through WebSockets, secure user authentication using cookies and JWT, and a scalable backend. I focused on creating a responsive frontend with React and Tailwind, ensuring a seamless user experience across devices. This project highlights my ability to design and implement robust web applications with a focus on both performance and security. Now, I will take you to my project. So, first of all, we have to run the project in VS Code, and clicking this link gives me the project. When I open this one, I have to register first, and as I already registered into it with username, test1 and password of my password, I will directly log in here. Please refresh it as it is not working. Now login again. Yeah, you can see my web page now. And you know one thing, you can log in with other username in the other browser like Google Chrome, as I opened it now in Microsoft Edge. I am opening localhost in my Google Chrome and going to log in with other username test2. Off and on the course and refresh it again. So you can see my project is working. This is the test1, and we are speaking with test1 from the browser Google Chrome, in which I log in as test2, right? Yeah, this is my project, and you can see the functionalities like logout button here, and we can message, and it scrolls automatically downwards. Actually, the scrolling should be smooth. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, it is smooth, right? When I press hi hello here, then you can see that hi hello messages in the other browser. It's hi hello. So this is my basic project of application, and you can see the green dot here. It implies that both the users are in online mode. If you see a red dot there, then it implies other person you are chatting with is in offline mode. I implemented that with the code that I will show you in the next 5 minutes. And when we press logout here, then the register page opens. So now I'm going to show you the full functionality by explaining the code I wrote myself. This is the backend of that web application. Here I used Mongoose or MongoDB for the backend database, which stores all the information regarding the chat between the users and the username password of the users. And for securing the password, we used uh, a model in the Node.js called as bcrypt function. It actually encrypts the password, and we don't know what the password is by looking at the MongoDB database. And you can see all the post requests and get requests here. After registering, you can log in into the page. By whenever you log in it, then it creates a cookie, and when you refresh it, it automatically do not load again the register page and directly be in that same page, because I will show you that one. I written a user context page here. By that, what happens is it actually sends the get request to profile endpoint, and whenever it sends that get request to the profile endpoint, this opens and it actually reads that cookie, and it sends the response to that user context, right? After sending that, it sets the username to the response.username and ID to response.id, user ID, so that again we can get the same user's page. That's the basic functionality of user context, and I am going to explain you total project line by line. This is chat.jsx page, which is the main page of that chat application, and I wrote this with the help of Tailwind CSS and React. As I told you, how that green color came when the user is in online mode and the red color came when he is in the offline mode, it is because of this functionality of the function. See here, as you can see here, if it is online, then green color will be present here, and if that is offline, then red color will be there. And the next page will be chat page. The main library which I used here was the WebSocket library, which was the predefined library in Node.js backend. So this is my basic project, and the code of my project will be on GitHub link provided below. And thank you all, thank you so much. Goodbye.